Okay, here we are at Senado Square. Let me give you a little tour of exactly what's all around us. You got all these kind of beautiful buildings like that. You got people kind of hanging out in the park there. You got another beautiful building right here. You also have the post office right there as well. What we're gonna do is walk straight down that way to São Domingos. Okay, let's take it. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's go check it all out. Got live music, got lots of cool stuff. People hanging out. It's Sunday evening. Also got lots of people kind of hanging out in all these parks right here. So there's usually people can sit in this area too, but they'll change it. So right now there's a garden in it. There'll be a whole little park right here. So lots of people kind of congregated in here, and also that area, and also this area. And usually around this whole circle, but they can't right now. Got some beautiful live music. They started this in the summer. And you can also sit here and get food and drinks as well. So we're just gonna walk down in here a little bit. Looks nice at nighttime, so. Sunday, June 6th, I believe. So I'll put the timestamp down below so you can see exactly the time and everything like that as well. I'm just gonna go all the way down to São Domingos. So yeah, this is called Senado Square. Largo do Senado. Let's just put that on the thing. So there it is right there, Largo do Senado. So yeah, that's it right there. Let's kind of go down a little bit. And then now it's going to go into São Domingos. We'll turn around and we'll close it. And actually it just keeps weaving all the way to São Paulo ruins, actually. So there you go. Pretty well photographed as well. São Domingo right there. So I think what we'll do, so there's Largo São Domingos right there, right? So we'll just kind of go back a little bit. You can see these little alleys as well. That's Grand Lisboa Casino right up there. More music. Let's go a little bit closer. Largo do Senado. Okay. Should do some videos just with all the different squares and plazas in Macau. There's tons of them. Okay.